Morning, YouTubers. So yeah, I thought I might give you a little video on this is how we do. So this is how we do things around here. Slide that block up under the back wheel, love. That's it. It'll just kind of slow it down a bit if it tries to run away. So, flush with the excitement of getting that big ass engine into the hole last night, I thought pursue it for a little bit longer just to see if I can get some sort of sense out of where we got to make everything. So when we want to jack something up around here, this is what we've got to do. This is what you call health and unsafety. So yeah, we have got a little bit going on. We got the kind of engine semi-suspended up there, but it's this jacking thing down here that really gets us going. If you've ever played the game of Jenga, it's a bit like that, only with danger. Right then, assistant, if you'd like to kindly take over a minute while I just pump some more fear into me. Right. So far, so good. Can you just check on that 1 or 2 times? Let's take the weight of the engine. I really don't like this. It's scary. Bring that stand in, love. See if it's close to the wheel, please. Slide the stand in, yeah? Don't hit the wheel, because it might tip it over. Oh, a little bit more. Bring it up to the back. Okay. Right, chuck me the camera raw. I want to see if you can slide that other wheel stand up under that wheel, please, love. And if we get this done, it'll stimulate the effect of having some engine weight on the springs. Right, done it. Success. Okay. Flip the stands out, love. Oh, sorry about that, headphone users. Yeah, just... I bet you're loving these noises, aren't you? Right, okay. I've got to... Yeah, hold this camera, love, because I can't do everything. It's just... How far is that going to come down before the engine starts hanging itself? One way to find out. Release the engine as well. Right, they're both on the loose now. Okay, chuck it here, look. So, maybe while we're at it, on the theme of health and unsafety, here's my crane, what I done made. Because I went to the shops to buy a crane and I saw one in there for 15,000 baht, and I was like, excuse me, they're only about 7,000 baht on eBay, but of course you can't get one of those on eBay. So I said, well, sod it, I'll make my own. So I knocked that thing up for about 2,000 baht, and then bought the ram off eBay for 26 quid, which is about 1,000 baht. Unfortunately, the person who was bringing it over from the UK didn't bring it, so it then got trapped in the UK for about 5 or 6 trips until I had enough luggage space to bring it over. And then we went to the shop one day and saw all the cranes were 7,000 baht, and I'm like, oh, you are kidding me. So I could have just bought a real crane for 7,000 baht. But anyway, we got this thing now, which kind of works after a fashion. So we should be settled down on the suspension by now. In which case, oh no, here we go. Right, we seem to be landed. I can crawl under here in a minute. See what's not touching or what is touching. And as I thought, steering rack's going to be a major issue, as it always is. And this cross member is going to go. I don't know why that piece of angle iron's welded on that one, but the one I replace it with won't have that on there. The engine's got to go back about 4 inches, so that's going to be the mission for today. Later then. Actually, I lied about that later then. I've got to cut that out a bit more, and that out a bit more. And while we're here, we might as well give a big shout out to Really Random Channel and Garage Idiots, a couple of my favourite YouTubers at the moment. Morning guys, catch up with your latest videos as soon as you post them up. Right, I'm off. Cheerio now.